This walkthrough tutorial is on Google Meet features and how to use the clickable nickname option to make into a bookmark and use that bookmark and add it to your bookmark bar so that it's easier for you to use on a daily basis. In a previous newsletter, I gave directions and information about how to make a clickable link using a nickname in Google Meet. So many of you have been trying to use that and also allow that to go or put it into your Schoology classes or put it on a document that you want for later. So what you want to do once you create your clickable link, it's the meet.google.com and then it's / lookup and then / and then whatever you want your nickname to be. So from this spot, what you want to do is not to click the return button yet, because as soon as you do that, then it's going to take you right into the Google Meet and it's going to assign it that 10-digit letter URL code. So you want to wait. So you want this code here. You want to be able to copy this. Do not click return because you want to grab this URL link, the wording here, because when I click return, like I said, it's going to take you into your actual meet.google.com. It's going to assign it a new code and it will do that every time. So if you then click return, copy that link, it's not going to work because that's the whole basis of why you're using the nickname, because it creates a new one after each time with the nickname. Okay, so you want to hold off, don't click return, and then you're going to go to your bookmarks and then put this into your bookmarks for you to be able to click, easier for you, and also not to have to click on or type in A Walker PD or whatever your name is that you're using for your nickname. The reason why we have to do it this way is because normally, like if you see the cursor, I can click and drag that into my menu here, but it will not allow you to do that because I haven't clicked the return button. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my bookmarks and I'm going to bookmark this tab. And since I opened a new tab, that is what the bookmark is saying I'm going to add here, but you can change it to whatever you want. So if you want to just call it Core 1, or if you want to say, you know, Walker Homeroom or whatever your name is and add it that way. So I'm going to do mine for Angela's office hours, and that will be for my meet. And I'm going to leave it in the bookmark bar for this folder and I'm going to click done. So I'm also then going to make sure up here, since it's already highlighted, I'm going to Command C, or you can go to edit and go to copy, which is the same for your Command C, so you can copy this to put in and attach it in your bookmark later. So let's do that now. So I'm now going back to bookmarks and I've got quite a lot. So I'm going to, actually no, I'm going to go to my manager, sorry. I'm going to my bookmark manager first and I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom. And then if I have here, I have my office hours. You can see that it's recognizing it as the new tab, and that's because I had not clicked the return button. So if you click return, it's going to take you into that meet, and then it's not going to work how you want. So if you go over here to the 3 dots and for more actions, click that once and go to edit. Now you can delete that URL and go to Command V for paste, or you can go back up to the edit and go down to paste there and then save. So from this point, now if I go to my bookmarks and go all the way down, and if I click on my office hours for my meet, it's going to take me right to where I need to go. Now, depending on how many bookmarks you have currently, your bookmark that you just did may automatically show up in your menu bar here, but because I have so many, mine is showing up later, so I've moved some things around anyway. But yours may show up in your menu bar here. If it does not, then the way that you can fix that is just go back to your bookmark manager and you're going to find wherever you just created that bookmark. So this was going to be my office hours, and you're just going to use your trackpad and click and drag. So right now you can see where I can move it back and forth, and I'm going to move that all the way up into my bookmark bar here, and you can see where it shows like this, and then it just populates and it shows, and this is now easy for you to go ahead and click on. And if you want to continue to move it, you can again just click and drag and move it where you see that black line, and it will go to wherever you want. And so now it's easy for you to just go ahead and click that on that spot and get to your clickable nickname link at any time that you need. Hope that helps. Thanks.